Yo, what's up everybody? It's your girl Tyra back with another video. And this time we're diving deep. I'm talking scuba diving for buried treasure deep into the heart of Miami. Now I know what you're thinking. Miami, that's all beaches, babes, and overpriced cocktails, right? Wrong. Well, kinda. Yeah, it's got all that glitz and glam, but beneath the surface, there's this whole other city pulsing with soul, bursting with flavor, and just waiting to be discovered. So buckle up, because today we're ditching the tourist traps and uncovering the hidden gems, the local hangouts, the spots that'll make you say, hold up, this ain't in the guidebook, we're going full-on Indiana Jones, but instead of ancient artifacts, we're hunting down the real treasures of Miami. Let's do this. Alright, first up on our treasure map is Fruit and Spice Park, down in Homestead. Trust me guys, this place is like stumbling into Willy Wonka's factory, but instead of chocolate rivers, we're talking about acres, and I mean acres of exotic fruits you've probably never even heard of. We're talking about jackfruit that tastes like bubblegum and mangoes sweeter than a first kiss. And the smells? Forget about it. It's like walking into a perfume factory, but a million times better. We're talking about star fruit that actually tastes like stars, okay? Maybe not, but you get the idea. This place is a sensory overload in the best way possible. You're gonna want to bring your camera, your appetite, and maybe even a bib, because things are about to get juicy. I'm talking about guavas, lychees, dragon fruit. This place has got it all. And the best part, you can actually pick and eat the fruit right off the trees. I'm talking about fresh, vine-ripened, bursting with flavor goodness. And if you're feeling adventurous, they even have tours where you can learn all about the different fruits and how they're grown. It's like a science lesson, but way more delicious. Look, I'm not even kidding when I say this place is a must-see. It's like stepping into another world, a tropical paradise right here in Miami. So ditch the overpriced smoothies and head down to Fruit and Spice Park. Your taste buds will thank me later. Alright, next up we're venturing off the beaten path, like seriously off the beaten path, to a place called Secret Garden Miami. And let me tell you, this place lives up to its name. It's tucked away in this quiet little neighborhood in Kendall, and if you blink you might just miss it. But trust me, you don't want to miss this. It's like stepping into a fairy tale. I'm talking about lush greenery, cascading waterfalls, and these vibrant orchids that look like they were painted by fairies. Seriously, it's that magical, and if you're lucky, you might even spot one of the resident peacocks strutting their stuff. They're not afraid to come right up to you and say hello. Don't worry, they don't bite much. This place is like a photographer's dream. Every corner you turn, there's another picture-perfect moment waiting to happen. And the best part? It's totally free to enter. Yeah, you heard me right. Free. 99. So grab your camera, grab your bestie, and get ready to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. This place is the definition of hidden gem, and it's just waiting to be discovered. But seriously, guys, shh, don't tell anyone about this place. Let's just keep it our little secret. Alright guys, let's talk about food. Specifically, let's talk about bagels. And not just any bagels, I'm talking about the most epic, most mouth-watering, most life-changing bagels you'll ever sink your teeth into. I'm talking about El Bagel. This tiny little hole-in-the-wall spot in the Mimo district is a Miami institution, and for good reason. Their bagels are handcrafted, boiled, and baked to perfection. They're crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside, and they'll make you want to slap your grandma. Just kidding, don't slap your grandma. But seriously, these bagels are the real deal. And don't even get me started on their schmears. We're talking about everything from classic plain to spicy jalapeno to sweet and savory guava. Yeah, guava schmear. Try it, I dare you. But be warned, this place gets packed. Like seriously packed. We're talking about lines around the block. But trust me, it's worth the wait. Order the El Cubano, you won't regret it. This place is the real deal, guys. It's a Miami institution, and it's a must-try for any bagel lover. Just be prepared to wait in line and maybe wear stretchy pants. Okay, so we've had our fruit fix, we've explored a secret garden, we've filled our bellies with delicious bagels, now it's time for dessert, and no trip to Miami is complete without a scoop or two or three of ice cream. But we're not talking about your average run-of-the-mill ice cream, no sir. We're heading to Azucar Ice Cream Company, a little Havana legend that's scooping up some of the most unique and delicious flavors you'll ever taste. Now I know what you're thinking. Tyra, I've been to Azucar, it's good, but it's no secret. And you're right, it's not. But what most people don't know is that Azucar has a whole secret menu of flavors that are only available for a limited time. I'm talking about flavors inspired by seasonal fruits, local traditions, and even Miami's diverse cultural influences. Think guava and cream cheese, café con leche, and even a spicy mango habanero that will set your taste buds on fire. But here's the catch. These secret flavors change all the time. So the best way to find out what's on offer is to ask for a sample. Don't be shy, the folks at Azucar are super friendly and they love to share their passion for ice cream. So ditch the diet and head down to Azucar for a scoop or 2 or 3 of pure Miami magic. Just be sure to ask for the secret menu and tell them Tyra sent you. Okay guys, get ready to have your minds blown, because our next stop is a place that's shrouded in mystery, intrigue, and enough conspiracy theories to make your head spin. I'm talking about Coral Castle. This place is basically a real-life mystery novel, complete with a heartbroken lover, a secret invention, and enough coral rock to build a small city. Seriously, this place is wild. The story goes that back in the 1920s, a Latvian immigrant named Edward Leedskalnin was left at the altar by his one true love. Heartbroken and determined to win her back, he dedicated the next 28 years of his life to building this massive coral castle in her honor. But here's the thing, Ed was a small dude, like, really small, and he built this entire castle. I'm talking about massive coral blocks weighing tons, all by himself using only hand tools and his secret invention. To this day, nobody knows how he did it. Some say he used alien technology, others say he possessed superhuman strength, but the truth is, nobody knows for sure. And that's what makes Coral Castle so fascinating. It's a testament to the power of love, the ingenuity of the human spirit, and the enduring allure of a good mystery. Plus, it's just really cool to look at. So grab your detective hats and head down to Coral Castle. You might not solve the mystery, but you're guaranteed to have an unforgettable experience. Alright, after a long day of exploring hidden gems and unraveling mysteries, it's time to unwind and soak up some local vibes. And there's no better place to do that than at Tea and Poets. This place is like a hybrid of everything cool and quirky about Miami. It's part tea house, part artisan market, part open mic venue, and all around awesome. Seriously, this place has something for everyone. Whether you're into poetry slams, live music, or just sipping on a delicious cup of chai, Tea and Poets has got you covered. They have this massive selection of teas from all over the world, from classic black teas to exotic herbal blends. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even create your own custom blend. And while you're sipping on your tea, be sure to check out the artisan market. They have everything from handmade jewelry to vintage clothing to locally made art. It's the perfect place to find a unique souvenir or a gift for that special someone. But the real magic of Tea and Poets happens at night, when the open mic starts. You never know who's going to take the stage, but one thing's for sure, it's always a night of creativity, community, and good vibes. So grab your friends, grab a cup of tea, and get ready to experience the heart and soul of Miami's creative scene. Alright guys, we've covered a lot of ground today, but this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Miami's hidden gems. There are so many more secret spots and local favorites just waiting to be discovered. But finding these hidden gems isn't always easy. It takes a little bit of effort, a little bit of luck, and a whole lot of curiosity. So here are a few tips to help you unlock the secrets of Miami. First things first, talk to the locals. Nobody knows a city better than the people who live there. Strike up a conversation with your barista, your Uber driver, or that friendly old lady walking her dog. You'll be surprised at what you might discover. Second, ditch the guidebook and put down your phone. Okay, maybe not completely, but don't be afraid to get lost, to wander off the beaten path, to explore without an agenda. Some of the best discoveries happen when you least expect them. Third, look beyond the Instagram hotspots. Just because a place has a million hashtags doesn't mean it's actually good. Do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. And finally, embrace the unexpected. Miami is a city full of surprises, so be open to new experiences, new flavors, and new adventures. So get out there, explore, and discover the magic of Miami for yourself. And there you have it, your crash course in unlocking Miami's hidden gems. It's more than just beaches and parties. It's a city brimming with unique experiences just waiting to be discovered. So next time you're planning a trip, ditch the tourist traps and dive headfirst into the real Miami. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you enjoyed this video and you're ready for more travel adventures, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And hey, let me know in the comments which of these hidden gems you're most excited to check out. Until next time, peace out.